Hi guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel Finance for Beginners, where today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can write a post on Etoro account. To do so, simply log into Etoro account by going on to etoro.com on your online Google Chrome browser or any browser that you use. After that, you'll be on the home screen. If you are not, go to the home screen. And if you just scroll down a bit, you can see a option for what's on your mind. If you click on this option, this write a post box will appear where now you are able to share your thought, upload any images, or even upload a poll. And after that, click on post, and then you'll be able to add a post on your Etoro account. And that's how you can add a post on Etoro. This was for this video, and I hope you guys find our video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for a review, and for more content like this, see you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.